In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate mode in Excel. The mode is the value that appears most often in a list of numbers. It's perfect for quickly spotting the most common score, price, quantity, or any repeated measurement in your data. We'll keep this simple and fast, and by the end, you'll have a formula that updates automatically whenever your data changes. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. Picking an empty cell near your data helps keep things tidy and makes it easy to read later. Now type the formula. You'll enter equals, then mode.sngl, followed by an open parenthesis. It looks like this when typed, x mode ssngl. Next, select the range that contains your numbers. You can click and drag to highlight the cells or type the range directly, like A2, A100. If your data sits in several separate areas, you can also select one range, type a comma, and select another. Excel will ignore text and blanks, but make sure your values are truly numeric. Numbers stored as text won't be counted. When your selection is set, close the parenthesis with a E. So the full formula will look something like E mode SNGL A2 100. Press Enter. Excel instantly returns the most frequently occurring number from the range you selected. If there's a tie, meaning more than one number is equally common, Mode SNGL returns just one of them, specifically the lowest of the tied values. If every number appears only once, Excel can't identify a most frequent value, so you'll see an error like #NA. That doesn't mean the formula is wrong. It simply means your list has no duplicates, and therefore no mode. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. You don't need to sort your data. Order doesn't matter for the mode. Zeros are valid values and will be counted if they repeat. If your result looks off, check that your range is correct and that there aren't hidden spaces or text-formatted numbers. Converting those to real numbers will fix the count. And because this is a formula, anytime your underlying data updates, your mode updates automatically too. That's all there is to it. Click a cell, type ishod modi SNGL, select your range, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. With just that, you can spot the most common value in any dataset, fast and reliably. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay while you follow along in your own workbook.